You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, Julian here, the man who makes French pronunciation videos here in French lessons, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. We're looking at how to say, do you speak English in French? How do you pronounce this phrase? Parlez-vous Anglais? Parlez-vous meaning do you speak? Anglais meaning English, of course. Parlez-vous Anglais? Or Parlez-vous Anglais? Parlez-vous Anglais? In French again, Parlez-vous Anglais is how to say, do you speak English in French? Enjoy your stay in France if you're lucky enough to get there. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.